Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to easily replace your AUTOSUN1 battery with the new AUTOSUN2 battery. This battery has a new quarter-round design for greater compactness. All you need is the multi-connection cable and your new AUTOSUN2 battery. Caution! Remember to charge your new battery before installation. First, disconnect your battery from your AUTOSUN1 kit and replace it with the new AUTOSUN2 battery. Use the multi-connection cable to connect the motor with the 4-point connector, the solar panel with the 2-point connector, and finally the new battery with the 2-point connector. Your new AUTOSUN2 battery is now connected.